When booking flight tickets, there are a few things to keep in mind in order to get the best deal and the most comfortable trip possible. In this video, we are going to show you how to efficiently book your flight tickets. We'll cover everything from finding the right website to use to inputting the correct information and getting the best deal possible. Let's get started. Number 1. Be flexible with dates. Always be flexible with your dates. Flights are usually cheaper during the week than on the weekends, and also during off-peak times such as early morning or late at night. If you can be flexible with your travel dates, you are more likely to find a cheaper flight. Number 2. Book in advance. Book your flight in advance. The further in advance you book, the more likely you are to get a good deal. However, don't book too far in advance as prices may go up as your travel date approaches. Number 3. Compare prices. Always compare prices between different airlines and travel websites. We recommend using a travel aggregator like Skyscanner or Kayak. These websites compare prices from multiple airlines to find the best deal for you. Number 4. Check for hidden costs. Don't forget to check for hidden fees. Some airlines charge for baggage, seat selection, and other things that can add up. Keep in mind that the cheapest option isn't always the best. Sometimes it's worth it to spend a little extra money to get a flight with better times or fewer stops. Number 5. Enter relevant information. When booking, be sure to enter in all the relevant information such as your travel dates, destination, and the number of passengers. Once you've entered all that, it's time to select your flight. Be sure to double check everything before submitting your payment. Be sure to compare the different flight options before making your final decision. Some things you will want to take into consideration are the flight duration, layover time, and price. If you keep these things in mind, you will be more likely to have a successful and a comfortable flight. We'll see you in the next one.